Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1. In the last class, we have seen is the given equations makes parallel, intersecting or coincident lines. In this session, we are going to discuss the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Keep on watching. Don't miss the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 2. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. In that first one, A, 3x plus 2y equal 5. Second equation, 2x minus 3y equal 7. So these equations are consistent or inconsistent we need to find, and also graphical representation also we need to do. So see here, given equations, given equations 3x plus 2y equal 5, this is first one, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal 7. So given equation, first we need to write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 type we need to write. Second equation we need to write a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. So how we can write it? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. Second equation one we need to write a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0 type we need to write. So means here a1x plus b1y is there. So c1 means this plus 5 you can transpose to left, we are getting same first equation model. So 3x plus 2y plus 5 becomes minus 5 equal 0, and this one here 2x minus 3y, this plus 7 becomes minus 7 equal 0. Now it is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. So this model it is there. So here a1 equal to here 3, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 5. Now a2 means here 2, b2 means with sign we need to write minus 3, c2 means here minus 7. Now you can check it, the comparison of ratios, first you have to check it. a1 by a2 you can find out. So a1 by a2 means a1 is 3 by a2 means 2. Next b1 by b2 also you can find out. So b1 means 2 by b2 means minus 3. So here this from these two ratios only we are getting a1 by a2 3 by 2, b1 by b2 minus 2 by 3 we got it. Means here we are getting a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 we are getting. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means it is the consistent and independent. The lines makes the consistent and independent we are getting. So the lines are consistent and independent. So the given lines, therefore the given lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So therefore, number of solutions equal to only one solution we are getting. So number of solutions we can get one solution. Now for this one only we need to do the graphical representation. Graphical representation. Now for the equation so first equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 5. In this we need to take x values and y values, and here pairs we need to take x, y and pairs. Now x value I am assuming 0 as 0 I am taking. So x value 0 means 3 into 0, this equation becomes plus 2 into y equal to 5. 3 into 0, 0 plus 2y equal to 5. So 0 plus 2y, 2y only. So 2y equal to 5, y equal to 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2.50. So y value we are getting 2.5, means the pair becomes 0, 2.5 we are getting. Next, in y value you can take 0. Next you can assume this assumption value, y value you can take 0. Y value we are taking 0 means 3x plus 2 into 0 equal to 5. So y value we took here 0. So 3x plus 2 into 0, 0 equal to 5. So 3x plus 0 is 3x equal 5. X equal 5 by 3. This 3 we are transposing to right means we are getting by. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 remained, 3 6 are 18, means 1.6 we are getting. So the pair becomes 0.6 comma, 1.6 comma 0. So same like this, we need to take one more equation also we have to take. So here I am taking down for the equation that is 2x minus 3y equal to 7. So here also we need to take x values, y values and pairs. So first x value I am taking as a 0 I am taking. So we need to substitute in this equation 2x minus 3y equal to 7 it is. So in that we are substituting x value 0 means 2 into 0 minus 3 into y equal to 7. 2 into 0 that value is 0 minus 3y equal to 7. 0 minus 3y we can get minus 3y equal to 7. So y equal this minus 3 becomes 7 by minus 3 we are getting. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remained, point 3 3s are 9. So y equal to minus 2.3 we are getting. So minus 2.3, that pair becomes 0 comma minus 2.3. Next now we can assume y value we can take as a 0. So y value we are taking as a 0 means 2 into x minus 3 into 0 equals 7. So 2 into x 2x minus 3 into 0 0 equals 7. So 2x equal 2x minus 0 we are getting 2x equals 7. So x equal this 2 we are transposing means we are getting by 2 1s are 2 3.50. So we are getting here 3.5. The pair becomes 3.5 comma 0 we are getting. Now we need to show in the graphically. Now here I am taking as a graph sheet. So both intersection point is 0. 0 right side values are positive values. Above the 0 also it is positive values, and below the 0 it is negative values. Left side of the 0 it is also negative values. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that I took. On y-axis positive direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the left side of the 0 it becomes -1, -2, minus. So 0 below values are -1, -2, -3, -4. Now for first equations, pairs we need to plot. So 0, 2.5. So where it is 0, 0, 2.5 means we are getting in this 2 and 3 between we are getting. And next one it is 1.6, 0. So y value is 0, x value is 1.6. So this is approximately 1.5 means we are getting here 1.6. So 0 also we can get here. Means this line becomes like this we are getting. This is 3x plus 2y equal 5 line. Next equations 1. 0, minus 2.3. So x value is 0, y value is 2.3. 2.3 means here approximately we can get here. And second pair is 3.5, 0. So 3.5 and 0 we need to take. So 3.5 means on x-axis this is the 3.5 and 0 on x-axis only we can get. So this equation becomes like this. So this equation is 2x minus 3y equals 7. Both are intersecting at a point. One point it is intersecting. That point we need to write. So approximately here and where it is intersected, that one we need to write it. That is the graphical representation of the given equation. In the next video, we will focus on same type of problem, that is the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students and viewers, do you like this video? Please share. It will helpful for others also. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.